welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another product review. Y'all know I'm on a freaking weight loss journey and I be wanting a soda, but soda got too much sugar in it, and sometimes I don't want diet soda because all the diet soda flavors is not that good. Well, in today's video, I got a solution to my problem. Today's video is sponsored and brought to you by Poppi. Now, what is Poppi, you ask? Of course, I'm ready to tell y'all what it is, but you gotta keep on watching. So y'all, welcome back to my freaking channel. Welcome back to another product review. Before we get started, why don't y'all join my family by hitting the subscribe button, then turn on your post notifications by hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified of any time your girl posts a video. Y'all know I'm on a weight loss journey and I'm trying to, intake things that are good for me, and sugary sodas is not the way to go. But Poppi reached out to me and sent me some of the amazing flavors that are super duper good. I've been trying them and I'm like, let me tell them which is my favorite flavor. And of course I'm doing a taste test in this video. So let me tell you all a little bit about the product now. Let's get into how cute the packaging is. And before we get into this video, y'all know I got y'all covered with saving y'all coins. There's going to be a 10% off promo code in the description box, as well as the link to purchase off their website. But let's get into how cute this packaging is. It's so cute, it's so colorful, and it's so fun. So let me finish telling y'all about the product. I just had to first show y'all how cute the packaging was, okay? And then make sure you get your 10% off when you choose to go ahead and shop on Poppi's website. Again, the link is in the description box. Off Poppi, y'all have the freaking cutest website. They are on TikTok, so follow them on TikTok as well as check them out on Amazon. Poppi is bubbles with the benefits and add some pop into your life. Be gut happy. Y'all understand that? Be gut happy. These are great for your health. The drinks are infused with apple cider vinegar, and apple cider vinegar is good for your health. When I tell y'all, these drinks are super duper good. 20 calories or less, 5 grams of sugar or less. They are packed with probiotics. They don't use no fake stuff, okay? No fake stuff. And they are infused with apple cider vinegar. Naturally detoxifies, aids in digestion, boosts immunity, supports that glowing skin, and relieves bloating. Those benefits are a plus. And it says, pinch me. Am I dreaming? No, you're not. Poppi has you covered with this super duper drink. Quench your thirst with Poppi. They have a mango pineapple flavor. This person is in love with it. The reviews are great, which made me be so happy about trying this. And they say, hit them with the flex, and they be flexing on that flavor. Hey. Yes, they have watermelon, strawberry lemonade. You can get them in 12 packs. Ginger lime, raspberry rose, blueberry, and orange. They have pineapple mango, peach tea. You can get them in a beach party pack. You can get them in a short list pack. Make sure you join the probiotic community. And again, when you try these products, again, follow Poppi on Instagram, featured on ABC and on Shark Tank. Like, this was such an amazing product to come up with. And as you can see, this is a little bit about the founder and why she created Poppi. So again, make sure you click the description box. There is a link as well. It's a link that will take you to the website to purchase, again, all of these flavors. You will never get bored with Poppi. It's so freaking good, y'all. I I was so happy. Again, thank you, Poppi, for contacting me and sponsoring today's video. Make sure you join their emailing list so you will be notified of all the amazing offers and deals that Poppi has to offer. Let's get into this video. So as y'all can see, baby, I had to, okay? We get this box open. I had to tell y'all about this because it's a lot of y'all that follow me that's on y'all weight loss journey, and you know what I'm saying, diet sodas don't always have the best flavors. The only thing I'm really rocking with now is Diet Dr. Pepper because it don't taste like diet soda. I don't do Diet Pepsi. I don't do Diet Coke. Diet Mountain Dew, I'm not a fan of that. But today, baby, Poppi. Thank you, Poppi. Poppi is 5 grams of sugar or less. I know I just told y'all about it, but I'm telling you again. Probiotics for gut health. You want something that's going to be good for your stomach, okay? It boosts immunity, keeps your skin glowing. They don't do no fake stuff, no BS. Everything is all good for you. It's infused with apple cider vinegar, and we know how good apple cider vinegar is for you, and it naturally detoxifies. So y'all, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of their best flavors that I will be doing a taste test for you all today. Follow Poppi on Instagram as well as Facebook. I will put their link in the description box. And also a link is going to be in the description box where y'all can get 10% off. You know your girl got you covered. Y'all can get 10% off if y'all want to try Poppi, which I know you're going to love it. They also have a TikTok page with some cute little videos on it. But yes, y'all, contains 10% juice. 1 can is 12 ounces. 1 can is 12 calories. Total carbs is 5. Total sugar is 5 grams. Includes 4 grams of added sugars. Ingredients in this one, this is the watermelon, is sparkling filtered water, apple cider vinegar, watermelon juice, lemon juice, strawberry juice, organic cane sugar, and natural flavors with stevia. Poppi is distributed in Dallas, Texas. You can also recycle this can, and these are super cute. They're also gluten-free and non-GMO. I like the cans, y'all. Like, shout out to the cute little cans, and shout out to this cute little box. Like, I love stuff like this. So of course, I don't know if y'all do stuff like this, but when I grew up, people always used to tap the, I guess, the top. Y'all, oh my freaking good. Oh, this tastes just like a watermelon. Oh, it's so freaking good, y'all. Oh, this watermelon one is good, y'all. I love watermelon. Right now, it's in season, but it's not. What I like about this is I don't have to, it don't have no aftertaste. And I don't always have to go to like my Diet Dr. Pepper, because that's all I really drink. And truth be told, those really not that good for you. But these, this is so good, y'all. Oh, that's good. So let me put that down. Watermelon is 10 out of 10, baby. I love pineapple and I love mango. Same, everything is the same as far as with the calories, the carbs, and the flavors. Only thing, this one has mango juice and pineapple juice. This says, facts, no one wants a basic drink. I sure don't. Also, you can do like happy hour with these and put you a little bit of vodka or something with one of these. It says, so make every hour happy with the bubbly better for your probiotic soda that keeps your gut happy and gives you a bottle boost. It's downright delicious, and they are not freaking lying. Like, my mama can even drink these because, baby, she can't deal with gluten, and she ain't had no soda in a minute. So I'm going to be like, mama, get you some of these, okay? And make sure you get that 10% off. Oh, y'all. Oh, my God. Oh. Oh, my God. And these ain't even cold. Oh, that mango one. I love pineapple mango. That's so freaking good. Now this ginger lime, I've been on my ginger lime. I've been on my ginger kick lately. I'm gonna have to ask my grandma, why y'all used to have us popping? Oh, so it wouldn't spill out. Baby, this tastes, oh, I be missing a Sprite. I be missing a Sprite, but I don't want to do Sprite because it got too much sugar. If this ain't no Sprite, tastes like a Sprite. If this don't taste like no Sprite, y'all. So far, hands down, the ginger lime is my favorite one. And then I'm going to do the pineapple mango and then the watermelon. This one, though, I love a good Sprite, baby. Especially when it's cold and it gets you like in the back with that little ting. I know y'all like, girl, she's slurping. Look. Look. If you do a little slurping, you know it's good. My next flavor, this is 15 calories, strawberry lemon. Now, it's between the ginger lime and this one for me that I really, really like. I love strawberry lemonade anyway. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Y'all, if y'all don't get y'all some of these, I'm not lying. And the fact it's good for your stomach, your gut health, and it got a little bit of hint of apple cider vinegar in it. Baby, and it don't have all that sugar in it, like 45 and 57 grams of sugar. No, you're only dealing with 5. Okay? 5, not 55, not 65, but 5. All of these are good, y'all. I really can't say that none of them are my favorite, but if I gotta do my favorite, it's the strawberry lemonade. Wait a minute, y'all. It even make you belch like when you drink soda, and I don't want to do that. It's gross. But look, okay, my mama, my grandma. Whew, this one is blueberry. Ooh, these are so freaking good. Blueberry is the truth. Y'all know in the description box I got y'all 10% off. Don't think your girl ain't got you covered. The final one is raspberry rose. When I tell y'all all these are freaking good. The reigning champ right here. The reigning champ is raspberry rose. It still gives you that little fizz and that little ting like when you drink a soda. And that's because it has the sparkling filtered water. It's so freaking good. Thank you, Poppi, for, you know what I'm saying, sending these to your girl to try. I am officially hooked. Now I don't have to always drink no Diet Dr. Pepper. I can just pull my Poppi out and drink my Poppi with dinner and don't feel bad about it because it's good for my gut health. Infused with apple cider vinegar, and it's gonna be an immunity sidekick. So y'all, I had to again come to y'all and let y'all know your girl is on the weight loss kick. And put that down. Your girl on the weight loss kick, and what better way to do it? Oh, y'all can't hear that. Maybe you can. It's just like soda, y'all. Poppi, Poppi, Poppi. Thank you again for sponsoring this video. Make sure y'all hit the link below to order and use that 10% off promo code. Oh goodness, it even, you know, when you drink soda and it kind of give you a little belchy belch. Well, this does that too. So again, I thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. Subscribe. Join the family, hit the notification bell, order y'all some Poppi, and I will see y'all in my next video. Whoa. Bye, y'all.